Thinking about buying or selling game accounts, items, or gift cards in G2G? Is it actually safe? What fees should you expect? And is it worth using in 2026? Here's everything you need to know in under 3 minutes. Introduction. G2G is one of the largest online marketplaces for gamers. It connects buyers and sellers for game accounts, in game currency, boosting services, gift cards, and software keys. But since it's a marketplace, your experience depends heavily on the seller you choose. Safety. So is G2G safe? Overall, yes, but with some precautions. G2G uses an escrow payment system, meaning your payment is held until the order is completed. The platform also offers buyer protection and a dispute system if something goes wrong. However, G2G doesn't sell products directly. You are buying from individual sellers, so always check their ratings, number of completed orders, and customer reviews before making a purchase. Also, remember that buying or selling game accounts may violate the terms of service of some games. So, there is always a risk of account suspension depending on the game's rules. Fees. Let's talk about fees. For buyers, you will usually pay the listed price plus possible payment processing or service fees depending on your payment method and region. For sellers, G2G charges a marketplace commission on completed sales, and payment withdrawal may include additional fees depending on your chosen payout method. The exact amount can vary, so it is always a good idea to review the final checkout price or seller dashboard before completing a transaction. Pros and cons. Here are the biggest advantages: huge selection of games, accounts, currencies, and digital products, competitive pricing thanks to many sellers, escrow payments, and a dispute resolution system, worldwide availability with multiple payment methods. The downsides: product quality depends on the seller. Some deliveries may take longer than expected. Buying accounts can violate certain game policies. Customer support may take time during complex disputes. Final verdict. So is G2G worth it in 2026? If you buy from highly rated sellers and understand the risks involved, G2G remains one of the best marketplaces for digital gaming products. Just compare sellers carefully, read reviews, and avoid deals that seem too good to be true. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more gaming marketplace reviews, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.